Hey guys, I prepared this quick video for you. I know it's a text-based form, but I know it's going to help you and you will find a way how to do it. These are like the best settings that I found out for you for the Dell S3222DGM. And let me down below in the comments if when you're gonna adjust your monitor, if it's going to actually be better for you. So the first thing is the brightness. 75 to 85, contrast also between the 75 to 85, sharpness 50, response time you can go super fast or extreme, overdrive on. Color settings, you want to go custom color with red, green, blue, 19794. Then you want to go with the picture settings, and here you want to go with RGB, gamma 2.2, hue 50, and saturation also 50. Then you're gonna have the dynamic contrast that you're gonna have off, uniformity compensation off, adaptive sync on, HDR setting on, HDR mode auto. Then if you want to use it for gaming, go for game mode on, refresh rate set to maximum supported by the monitor, adaptive sync on, brightness for office work, lower brightness for extended reading and writing tasks, and media consumption you can go preset mode, the movie or multimedia. So that's like pretty much it. And I hope this video helped you about setuping, and let me down below in the comments if it actually is better. Have a great day and goodbye.